Hello and welcome to English Flow, the podcast that helps you speak English smoothly and confidently. I'm your host, Teacher Fatima. We will learn together using two powerful techniques: slow listening, where you hear the pronunciation clearly, and shadowing, where you repeat after me to train your mouth muscles. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but progress. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's topic is daily routine sentences. We will practice simple sentences you can use every day. First, listen slowly. I wake up early. Now listen naturally. I wake up early. Now it's your turn. Please repeat. I wake up early. Listen slowly. I brush my teeth. Now, naturally. I brush my teeth. Your turn. Please repeat. I brush my teeth. Listen slowly. I take a shower. Now, naturally. I take a shower. Now you try. I take a shower. Listen slowly. I get dressed for the day. Naturally. I get dressed for the day. Your turn. I get dressed for the day. Listen slowly. I have a cup of coffee. Naturally. I have a cup of coffee. Please repeat. I have a cup of coffee. Listen slowly. I start work at 9. Naturally. I start work at 9. Now you say it. I start work at 9. Listen slowly. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Naturally, I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Your turn. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Listen slowly. I finish work in the evening. Naturally. I finish work in the evening. Now repeat. I finish work in the evening. Listen slowly. I cook dinner at home. Naturally. I cook dinner at home. Please repeat. I cook dinner at home. Listen slowly. I watch a little television. Naturally, I watch a little television. Now you try. I watch a little television. Listen slowly. I read a book before bed. Naturally, I read a book before bed. Your turn. I read a book before bed. Listen slowly. I go to sleep at 10. Naturally, I go to sleep at 10. Now you say it. I go to sleep at 10. Excellent work. You did great. Now, let's try 2 sentences together. Listen and then repeat. I wake up early and brush my teeth. Your turn. I wake up early and brush my teeth. I finish work and cook dinner at home. Now you. I finish work and cook dinner at home. Remember, the key to fluency is daily practice. Try saying 2 of these sentences every morning. Pay attention to the rhythm and the connections between the words. Thank you for practicing with me today on English Flow. You are taking wonderful steps towards speaking English with confidence. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, have a beautiful day and happy learning.